I am the excavator. I am the bulldozer. I am the dump truck. I am the crane. I am the road roller.
I'm the concrete mixer.
We are the construction fleet. No difficulty can beat us. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the concrete road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, wrecked. Try again. Construction fleet, the bridge you have built is so amazing! Here is a construction badge for you.